In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom without downloading the app. This can be incredibly useful for those who are looking to join a meeting quickly and without the hassle of installing new software. Whether you're using a shared computer or simply prefer not to download extra applications, this method ensures you can still participate in Zoom meetings with ease. First, you'll want to open a web browser of your choice and head over to Google. It's a good idea to ensure your browser is up to date, as this can help avoid any compatibility or security issues. Once you're at Google, all you need to do is type Zoom into the search bar and hit enter. You should see the Zoom website among the top search results. Click on it to take you to Zoom's homepage. Now, if you don't already have a Zoom account, you'll need to create one. Click on the Sign Up button, which will guide you through the process of setting up a new account. You can sign up using an email address or link your Google or Facebook account if you prefer. Don't worry if this is new to you, as Zoom's website is very user-friendly and provides clear instructions on how to create your account. It's important to have an active account because without one, joining a meeting via your browser won't be possible. For those who already have an account, simply click on Sign In and enter your credentials to log into the site. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to your Zoom dashboard. From here, you can manage your profile, check your meeting schedule, and most importantly, join meetings hosted by others. To join a meeting without downloading Zoom, look for the Join a Meeting option on your account dashboard or the homepage. Click on it to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter the meeting ID or personal link name. This information is usually provided by the meeting organizer in the invitation they sent you, so keep it handy. Type in the ID or link and then press the Enter the key or the Join button. When you choose to join a meeting via your browser, some versions of Zoom might encourage you to download the app or display a pop-up. However, if you prefer sticking to your browser, simply click on the option that allows you to join from your browser instead. It might be a little link on the page, so keep an eye out for it. Joining a Zoom meeting through your browser might require you to grant permissions for accessing your microphone and camera. Make sure you grant these permissions if you plan on interacting in the meeting. Doing so will ensure that other participants can hear and see you, enhancing the overall meeting experience. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to join Zoom meetings directly from your browser without needing to download any additional software, allowing you to participate seamlessly in conversations with colleagues, friends, or family.